Hello guys and welcome back for another video. Today we are reviewing the Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture set. So as you may know, it is a DIY kit for denture wearers to improve fit and comfort at home. It uses soft silicone to cushion gums. It is marketed as a cheaper, easier alternative to professional relining. Now for the pros, let's go over them really quickly. It is affordable, as you can see here, $26.99. It is easy to use and it can make dentures feel more comfortable. For the cons, the silicone may not last long, it might not stick well, and it lacks the precision and durability of a dentist's reline. Now, for the user feedback, you can check on Amazon or any other website that you are purchasing this on. Well, reviews are mixed. Some users report short-term relief, and others say it doesn't work effectively. Now, for the final verdict, it is not a scam in my opinion. It works as a temporary fix, but not a replacement for a professional care. It is worth trying only if you're on a budget. So, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.